I know merong batas tayo, RA 10916, Road Speed Limiter Act of 2016. This was back in 2016. It's not being implemented yet. Na lahat dapat ang mga public transport merong speed limiter na hindi siya pwedeng bumilis pa doon sa nakadesignate sa batas na speed. At yan dapat ini-install.
Yes, sir.
Mandatory
Dapat po.
sa lahat ng mga buses.
Yes, sir.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin.
Yes, sir. Hindi pa rin
Why
po
not,
na-enforce.
sir? Another causes of accident ay yung overspeeding. And we know that for a fact, right? So bakit hindi pa natin na-install yun? Itong RA 10916. Marami tayong magagandang batas, I'm telling you. Since nangupo akong senador, marami akong binasang batas. Sabi ko, ang gaganda ng mga batas na ito. Pero kulang tayo sa implementation. Kaya dito ako pumapasok. Ako ang tagahanap ng mga butas sa batas na yung mga hindi na-implement. And this is what we're talking about now. Bakit hindi na-implement to, sir?
Sir, siguro po, it's just the implementation.
Why? 2016 and now it's
Yes, sir. Yes,
2025.
I think we have to...
9 years na.
Yes, sir. We have...
So kailan ito ma-implement? Pagputi ng uwak.
No, sir. With what is happening now, sir, I think we have to be stricter.
When? When?
Immediately, sir. Immediately.
When you say immediately, give me a time frame.
Yes, sir. Time frame, sir, starting next week.
Starting
Next week. Because we will be having a memorandum circular, having this Senate hearing as our reference, that henceforth, all public transport should be installed with a speed limiter in accordance to what is in the law.
Okay. And you're telling me now, starting next week,
Yes, sir.
umpisahan nyo na to
Yes, sir.
sa lahat ng public transport. Is it safe to say today is only April, by the end of the year, how many % na yung covered yung...
Sir, I will check for the availability of the speed limiter, and then I will get back again
Yung
to
speed limiter, saan ba binibili yan?
there's a provider, sir. Actually, there are lots of providers who are offering this speed limiter.
Baka pagkakitaan nyo naman, kayong iba hindi pa papalagi. Teka muna
Sir, baka sir po yun ang nagiging reason kung bakit hindi pa na-implement. I think we should, for my part, sir, personal opinion, I think we should conduct due diligence on the speed limiter provider, and then we'll be conducting bidding who has the most credible speed limiter that has to be installed.
And I'll make sure, pagdating sa bidding, ako ay naka-monitor na para hindi po gagamitin yan para pagkakitaan
Yes,
kung
sir.
ilan-ilan
Yes,
dyan.
sir. That is the one
sir.
that we have to assure the senator, sir.
Okay.